everybody, so in today's video I'm going to be using my cake turntable and I'm going to be trying to use 2 cups this time. So what we're going to do is spin it and then pour them almost like a kiss pour and then out to the sides. Alright, so let's see how it goes. Okay guys, so I'm working on a 12 by 12 canvas and I am using my spinny thing, as you can see. And I've only got 2 colors. I'm going to attempt to dump them both on separately while it's spinning. So that is going to be quite tricky. I had a hard enough time doing it with 1 cup, spinning it by myself last time. So I'm just gonna give it a go. Everybody, the painting is dry and it really turned out super cool. I had a lot of fun with this one. It was very messy. This one was probably the messiest one so far on my cake turntable. I had to, because I had 2 cups, I had to have my husband spin it, and it just made me so dizzy trying to do the 2 cups and the spinning. It was crazy. But it turned out really cool. I love the design. The cells that developed are super cool. It has almost like these feelers from the paint, the turntable, you know, dispersing the paint. Looks pretty cool. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to go to my Facebook group that I created, Acrylic Pouring with Friends, and post your paintings as well. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.